So what is light, really? It's one of physics' most mind-bending questions.
And the answer from quantum physics is kind of weird. It's both, at the same time.
So depending on how you observe it, light can act like a spreading wave or a tiny bullet. It all came to a head with this one experiment, shining light on metal. The results broke everything. Here's the crazy part. What scientists expected to happen was the exact opposite of the real result. Basically, more brightness was supposed to mean more energy, but it just didn't. Something was totally wrong. And then Albert Einstein stepped in with a completely game-changing idea. He said light isn't a continuous stream. It comes in these little energy packets called photons. And to free an electron, that photon has to pay a kind of exit fee. The math is pretty simple. Photon energy comes in, pays the fee, and the rest becomes speed. This solved the puzzle. More light just means more photons, but higher frequency means more energy. But just when things seemed settled, de Broglie threw a massive curveball into the mix. His wild idea? What if everything that moves has a wave, even you? So why don't we see these waves? Well, the effect is only obvious for super tiny things like electrons. For something like a baseball, the wavelength is so ridiculously small you could never ever see it. But an electron's wavelength? It's about the same size as an atom, which is a huge deal. And then an experiment proved it. Electrons were seen acting exactly like waves. He was right. Okay, so let's recap the key takeaways from this wonderfully weird part of reality. This strange duality isn't a bug, it's a feature. It's a peek into the true nature of our universe.